Hey guys, this is your 10x man, and this video is for not interested leads. Right? Most of us that have been cold calling, we would usually get this leads which says us, hey, I'm not interested. Let me tell you what most of the not trained people, or let's say less trained salespeople would do. They would use two words. One is what, and second is why. Hey Melanie, why are you not interested? That's done. This call is not going anywhere forward. Let me tell you what trained salespeople do. Hey, I'm not interested. Hey Melanie, I already did assume that you were not interested. The reason for my call to you today is, I want to know whether I can help you in the first place or not. So let me ask you a question here. Let's say if you were to take this decision, what would be two main reasons where you would transition from your current CRM to a new CRM there? Right. And there goes the call forward. She would assume that you are not here to sell her something. You want to know that whether this is the right fit or not. So you might add this line up in your call that, hey, I already assumed that you're not interested. I look for your profile and, I'm not sure if I can help you in the first place or not. So let me ask you a question here and then go into the qualification mode. This will help you a lot. Keep calling.